Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, yeah, of course. Some people tell like what's going to the post. The tower man. And then from there, it tell of course, ST Hagiazo la. Yeah, so it 8 November, so we should do enough Sukungo share. Yeah, and we can get of course account ya Sungo Mr. Post as you can see. And we can get on from Kumo, we're gonna clip your car. Minga figure postiwa as you can see kwalan. So yeah, I full in heat trouble. Kunlaka like you figure ibekalati hot emojis kwalan, okay? As you have heard, it's basically, it's more like saying yena one man standing sort of so like yena sa aranaku Mr. Post like Xigaza like Nzumba la yena sa aranaku yena a cinisaku vanhu a ri yexa ka na un'wana and stuff like that. So very as master team a swi tiva ku before the huma tinsimu to fana leti wa to hosi ngopfu ti-artist ta hina leti ku ri kumba a ni comment nchumu so n'wina mi ta mi kha mi nyika yo perspective ku risimu mi ri twisa ku yini yeah vulavula leswi swi ngo mi swi twisa ku swo ra risimu of course mara mina ni twa ri kha ri twala kahle so you can comment ku mi swi twisa ku yini and stuff like that. So kona a va ri ka Khalanga Productions until maybe probably Mr. Post yi nga se yi beni studio le ka loko zi ya ka Khalanga Productions hikuva a ni hi tiva yena studio. Maybe, probably so. We don't really know. We don't really know. As I'm free already, the bus saying, I'm to go out the show. I'm to go out to know with a judge one now. Because Manyanga wrote a post telling comes up. Yes, I'm free. Moish, have you someone a man and name it same bill? I don't know who the guy knows that. Maroon fan got comments and figure come I was hired for mixing. That's what of course he wrote. Then so I thought okay, one show start from Saguino single best post to combat atsaka swinene about this track. I hinze. So Hagiazo is trending again for the same exact mistake where non conscious on this. So okay, take this video, analyze kahle. So he wrote both given ngava yingisi vata file monti. Oh okay, I understand the room. Dr. Thomas Chauko you for rinchicha and given any one wa vanhu lava nga braya Hagiazo la. So I fully ni vona ku ndleka henda.
So are or tamafas or wetsalang.
As we can see, so if I follow this video, we can see where he is flaunting his gun. As you can see, vividly. As you can see. As you can
and then
see.
Look say yeah, like starting with no money.
So Hagiazo was flaunting his gun and he looked trending shunan, he looked faster shunan on Facebook as we speak now. One of that guys, let me tell you something. Even if I got away shona kulanwa Xibamu actually displayed like this. Look see ya review a video I show go show a mistake. Xibamu actually mele hand and stuff like that. Or the video didn't post mara he posted it comes go he did it intentional. So I win. So she wrong kuva Hagiazo la owner Xibamu na master T. No. Kwahasha wrong kuva Hagiazo owner a gun. Kwahasha wrong. And then she roll up from a Christian perspective. I'm Christ. That's my religious belief. Kwahasha wrong. Because Hagiazo we can say is a pastor and he's a businessman, like he's very, very successful. As one, we can see he drives a Ferrari, like he's very, very successful. So it was if level here, bruh, you must have a gun, you must have protection, and already we can see he has protection, he has security guards and stuff like that. So we got a problem at all for him to own a gun. So Basaleyo kuva Hagiazo iba yena Xibamu a problem. However, the main problem is kuva size shifika la ku hi fika hi ku imfundisi wa Xibamu. Mayabona se ifika njani ku imfundisi wa Xibamu hi fika kwalani because he's flaunting his gun. You know, we displaying like all over, and I rosungula sungula mante. It's fine. Yeah, maybe made a mistake. Let's leave it. Yeah, we will see. However, when can check out the comments and show and go, hey, should come now. I do come be now like a problem shown like I don't know. Mara Hagiazo is wrong. So Hagiazo as a preacher, you should not be flaunting a gun. Like should this what means should this message win like eka valandzeleri mavona mhaka leswi swi endla ku va yi hlasela and stuff like that. Why mavona mhaka leyiwa why? So Hagiazo la ka leyi mhaka you are wrong. Yeah, you are wrong, and I wish the pastor leti nga henhla ka vona ti zama ku tolala na vona about mhaka leya Xibamu ku a hi ri sungula swi humelela sweswi a swi humelela ra vumbirhi na mhaka leyiwa. So swi va swi ri very, very wrong since he's a pastor, I mean, or a preacher. Yi tisa message wa njhani ka ti-members vanhu lava hi followaka, like what is he trying to say or mhaka leyiwa. So a wu swin'wana yi nga kombisa like swo fana na ti-Ferrari swilo swin'wana swi wrong swo fana na ku of course yi karhi yi kombisa ti-expensive watches and stuff like that, very va rich Philip and stuff like that. Mina ni vona ku nga ri problem swo fana na leswiya because at the same time of course ya kota ku kha influence na vutomi bya van'wana ku va swi vona ku yeah, you can still make it, you can make it in life. Hambi i suke ndhawu leyi a wu hlupheka ku na leswi yi kombisaka swona ku a nga kulela yona and stuff like that mavona mhaka leyiwa. So ku va nga ri problem but leswo swo flaunta a gun swi va swi ri wrong ngopfu, swi va swi ri wrong because he's aware of it, because loko se video yi postiwa la he still engages and stuff like that. Loyi a ku ri leyi yo sungula vhele leyi yi fika yi trenda wrong and stuff like that. So mani swi twisini byi fani ku la maybe kwa ku ro sungula yi ta swi twisisa mara he came back again with a different video la of course still nakona yi flauntaku a gun. So ku munhu ka nga endli ku swihoxo so Hagiazo la a yi fixini yaleyo ya Xibamu a yi fixini yi ta tisa a very wrong narrative to you as a pastor or a preacher. And swi tisa ku why are you doing it, are you advising members also to do this ma swi vona ku yi fika kwini manjeni. So hi leswo loko ku ri amgeza subscribe a ni ta kombela mi teka subscribe.
Ahe Hagiazo laha ni ri le kaya laha phakati switandini swa ka majosi ntshunxi n'wamatatani hi ka hi famba hi Ferrari na Bullitt lahaya wa vona. It was so exciting ku vona vana va le kaya va tsakini, you know, ku vonela a wu tolovelekangi minchumu leyi man wa vona. Look at how happy they were wa vona, ene loko wa vona laha ku vona vana lava va tsakini, it was everything to me mhaka ku wa vona I took it to the villages, deep in the villages, so that the kids can be inspired. Lavaya vakulu a va continue na vuloyi va zonda a hi na mhaka na swo hi lava ku inspire lavo fana na hehe vo pfumala vatswari wa vona phakati inside kwele ka majosi na tigadi ti ri kona hi le timovha ti escort hi ri kwele kaya leyi phakati switandini swa ka majosi ya Hagiazo la.